Hello all, welcome to Technostic. So today we are going to see the first part or first question of working with Python. So here we have the question finding the even numbers. So now I have the sample output. I want the exactly same output in the output shell window. So we have here, first it should print even numbers are 4 and then it should print first 4 even numbers. So to write that following, let's write the code. First we'll write the print statement. Over here we are writing the code print even numbers are 4. And we just want the print statement. We just want to see how the print statement works. So for that we are using this. You can also dynamically create that the user may enter the number of even numbers and then it renders the for loop in such a way that it shows the number of even numbers that the user has entered or asked for. But here we just want to see how print statement works, so I am passing that thing. Then we'll take for loop for I in range of 1 to 10. Every for loop comes with a colon. Every loop or anything, any condition in Python comes with colon at the end. Then we'll keep for range 1 to 10 if I will 2 equals 0. That is for even numbers, the logic for even numbers. Then we'll print I. In Python, take care of the indentation errors so that it saves you from any typical errors that you can have. You can see here I have a folder in desktop. I'll be saving all my solutions over here. I'll say even.py. Python's extension is py. I saved the thing. And now we'll just move on to run over here, run module. So here it will run the module and we got the even numbers are 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, the exactly same output that we have asked for. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content to Technostic.